In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a habit tracker. We're going to set up a simple, reliable system using ClickUp's built-in templates so you can monitor daily, weekly, or monthly habits right alongside your projects. This approach keeps everything in one place, saves time, and gives you clear visibility into your progress. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in your workspace, look to the left sidebar where your spaces are listed. A space is a high-level container for work, like a department, a project theme, or a personal area. Choose the space where you want your habit tracker to live. Many people like using a dedicated personal space so routines don't get mixed up with team tasks, but use whatever makes sense for you. Next, hover over the space name and open its options menu by clicking the three dots. This small menu is easy to miss, but it's your gateway to powerful setup tools. When the menu opens, you'll see a range of administrative options designed to shape how the space behaves and what it contains. From that menu, select Apply a Template. This launches ClickUp's Template Center for the space. In the search bar at the top, type the word Habit. ClickUp will filter results to show habit-related templates created by ClickUp or shared by the community. You'll typically see options like Habit Tracker or Daily Habits. Pick the one that aligns with how you like to track routines. Some focus on simple daily checkoffs, while others include fields for streaks, frequency, or notes. Open a template preview to confirm what's included. You'll usually see pre-built lists, statuses, and custom fields tailored for recurring routines. When it looks right, proceed to apply it to your chosen space. ClickUp will walk you through quick options for what to include, such as tasks, custom fields, and views. Keep the defaults if you're unsure. You can always adjust later. After the template is added, your space will populate with the lists and tasks defined by the template. You'll have a clear place to record whether a habit was completed, and many templates come with views that make it easy to see patterns over time. If the template includes due dates or recurring schedules, they'll help you stay on track without extra setup. That's all it takes. You open ClickUp, chose a space, use the three-dot menu, and applied a template by searching for habit. With that, you've turned ClickUp into a focused, flexible habit tracker. Use it consistently, review your progress regularly, and you'll build momentum one day at a time.